that just seemed like it shouldn't be this painful to be a contractor. I must be missing something. I need help. I need somebody who can help me focus on the things that I probably already know, but like I got to do it right or whatever. And so I went to the seminar, and it connected. It made sense. Sometimes there were things like, of course I know that. Dang it, why aren't I doing that? And that kind of thing. We had a tremendous amount of customers. We had lots of work in front of us, very successful and busy from that perspective. But other parts just weren't there, whether it was job costing issues or not the right people or whatever the issues were. We weren't as successful overall as I felt we really ought to be. I mean, we were, our revenues were up, we were making a lot of money. It's just very little of it was sticking. Almost all of it was going right back out, and something wasn't working right. Like, it shouldn't be quite that severe. So that's where I knew that we needed some help, some focus. I think it's almost embarrassing. One of the things that really clicked for me at that seminar was how I didn't know the numbers for my business. I'm a pretty smart guy. I like math. I like equations and Excel and whatever. And I can read a P&L pretty well and understand it. But I wasn't doing that consistently for myself in my business. Like, knowing it's not good enough, I got to actually do it. I can't just keep the numbers in my head. Like, I need to be able to see them and track them and stuff. And that was one of those points where, like, okay, yeah, I need to do the stuff I know how to do. One of the first steps correlates with that aha moment I had there. Like, I need to know the numbers for my business. And I didn't. So we worked pretty hard on fixing that over the first couple months, to the place where we, okay, we've got numbers in front of us. We can trust them. I don't like them. I don't like what they say, but at least I understand that they're accurate. And now we can start looking at how to fix it. I don't think any of us do enough work on our business, developing our business. We're all too focused on working in it, dealing with all the day-to-day stuff. You can't go wrong with a one-day seminar and take away from it what you can get from it. And if it is the right fit, then absolutely pursue more.